Lead, with the chemical symbol Pb and atomic number 82, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. Its use spans various industries and applications, but is also notorious for its toxicity, leading to strict regulations globally to limit exposure and environmental contamination. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more engaging videos like this. Lead has been known to humans since ancient times, with evidence of its use in artifacts dating back to around 4000 BC. The Romans extensively used lead in plumbing systems, pottery glazes, cosmetics, and even as a sweetener, lead acetate. The use of lead continued through the Middle Ages and into the modern era, finding applications in paints, gasoline additives, batteries, ammunition, and more. Properties of lead. Lead is a heavy metal with a bluish-white color when freshly cut, but quickly tarnishes to a dull gray upon exposure to air. It is soft, malleable, and has a low melting point, making it easy to work with in various forms. Lead is also a poor conductor of electricity and is resistant to corrosion, which makes it suitable for certain industrial applications. Uses of lead. Batteries. Lead-acid batteries are one of the most common uses of lead, powering vehicles, backup power systems, and various industrial applications. Construction. Lead is used in roofing materials, pipes, solder, and radiation shielding in construction projects. Ammunition. Lead is used in bullets and shotgun pellets due to its density and ability to deform upon impact. Weights. Lead weights are used in various applications, including fishing, diving, and balancing wheels in vehicles. Radiation shielding. Lead is effective at blocking radiation and is used in medical facilities, nuclear power plants, and research laboratories. Alloys. Lead is often alloyed with other metals to improve their properties, such as solder in electronics and bearings in machinery. Health effects of lead. While lead has many useful properties, it is highly toxic to humans and animals. Exposure to lead can lead to severe health issues, especially in children and pregnant women. Common health effects of lead exposure include neurological damage. Lead can impair cognitive function, leading to learning disabilities and behavioral problems. Developmental issues. Exposure during pregnancy can cause developmental delays and birth defects. Organ damage. Lead can damage the kidneys, liver, and reproductive organs. Anemia. Lead interferes with the production of hemoglobin, leading to anemia. Environmental impact. Lead pollution is a significant environmental concern. The mining, processing, and disposal of lead-containing materials can contaminate soil, water, and air. Wildlife and ecosystems can suffer from lead exposure, leading to population declines and biodiversity loss. Efforts to reduce lead pollution include stricter regulations on emissions, waste disposal, and recycling initiatives. Regulations and control measures. Governments and international organizations have implemented strict regulations to control lead exposure and reduce environmental contamination. These measures include bans on lead-based paints and gasoline additives, limits on lead emissions from industrial sources, regulations on lead content in consumer products such as toys and jewelry, promotion of lead recycling and safe disposal practices, public health campaigns to raise awareness about lead exposure and its health effects. In conclusion, lead is a versatile metal with a long history of use in various industries. However, its toxicity poses significant health and environmental risks, leading to stringent regulations and control measures to mitigate exposure and pollution. Balancing the benefits of lead with its potential harms remains a challenge for industries and policymakers worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more engaging videos like this.